Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this rainbow look. I'm really loving the color for spring and summer, and it's actually been blowing up. Like, everybody wants to do bright colors lately, and I'm loving that. And I've seen this brow trend go around where you fill in most of your brow and then you do the bottom with rainbow. The first person I saw do it was Concealio, but I'm sure there's people way before her that did that. There's so many of these photos on Instagram. So if you guys want to get this look, keep watching. Alrighty, to start off with, I'm going to use this Hangover RX primer from Too Faced. And then I'm going to go in with the Infallible Fresh Wear in 410. Then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. As you can tell, this is one of my favorites as of recently. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Fair. And I'm going to keep that and I'm going to keep it on the under eye. Wow. I'm just going to leave this on the under eye to catch any fallout that we may have while doing our crazy rainbow look today. And I'm just going to set down any other concealer that I put down earlier and just kind of blend that out with the sponge in the other spots, not under the eye. Okay. I'm only going to fill in my brows partially, so I'm mainly focused on this top part here. I'm filling in the ends and getting the shape that I want, but I'm going to leave the bottom part as bare as I can. Alright, so they are looking a little thin at the moment, and that's where the rainbow part comes in. So we're going to do the rainbow part right underneath here and kind of fill in the rest of your brow, but with rainbow colors instead of brow colors. So what I'm going to be using today is this NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium, and I'm going to be mixing all the bright colors that I have. I am using the James Charles palette. I know there's a lot of drama going on, but it's the only rainbow palette I have, so we're just gonna have to live with that. So I think I'm gonna go with red to pink, purple, whatever we can fit, I guess. Oh. So I'm taking a tiny bit on the back of the lid to my color switch sponge, just a tiny bit. And I'm going to scrape off a tiny bit of an eyeshadow. So we're just going to scrape up a tiny bit of eyeshadow and mix it together, and it becomes kind of like a cream gel liner situation. Okay, now we're just going to start fading that into orange and yellow and green and blue and purple. So I'm just going to speed right through it and not talk through it, because I feel like you'd get real bored of hearing me talk about nothing. Okay, so you need just the teeniest, tiniest drop of that mixing medium with your eyeshadow, just to make it a little bit wet so it'll go on like an eyeliner. But then what I did afterwards was I set it with the same eyeshadow just to make it blend into the brow a little bit more. And now I'm gonna clean it up with concealer a little bit, and then we'll move on to the eyeliner. Okay, so here's the finished eye look. So I just threw on, I felt a little boring with the eyeliner, so I just threw on some more color. I did yellow on the inner corner, and then I took a little bit of Coin from the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette and threw that on the inner corner just to make it a little shimmery. And then I threw on some more like teal and green eyeshadow underneath, because I feel like it brings a little bit more to the look without putting eyeshadow in the crease. So now what I'm going to do is my lashes, and then I will be right back to finish up the face. Okay, lashes are on, mascara's on. I am loving these lashes. They're so good. They're like, there's enough space between them that you can still see the pink eyeliner, but they're not super like small, I guess. They're like long enough for me. They're wide enough for my eyeball. I'm amazed. They're in the style Tulle from Kiss. So those of y'all with big eyes are gonna love these, because I never have to trim lashes, and these fit my eye perfectly. Most of the time with regular lashes, I have to like put them on the outside and then kind of fill it in with eyeliner, because they're just not big enough for my eye, but these are amazing. I'm going to be wearing these like on the daily from now on. Okay, for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Lo-Fi palette from Morphe, and I'm gonna use the shade Donut, and I'm gonna kind of mix it in with Debutante a little bit. I love the shade Donut because it's not super, super matte. It's like a little bit of a sheen to it, and that's what I love in my powder products, because it makes my skin look more natural, I guess, while not being natural at all. And then we're gonna go in with this blush from Tarte. It's called Embellish. It came with, I think, like a holiday collection I got like years ago. And now for highlight, I'm gonna go in with Champagne Pop from Becca, which if you've seen my other videos, you know that's literally my favorite highlight in the world. I have tried a bunch of other highlights, but the Becca highlights just have no match. They're so intense, and I adore them. Okay, and now we are ready for lipstick. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with this NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Satin Ribbon. It's the most nude that I have. And I figured nude lips would go probably best with a rainbow look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you do a rainbow brow type of look. Tag me in it on Twitter or Instagram. I know there's a lot of rainbow brow and rainbow everything going on at the moment, so I just wanted to throw my take in on it a little bit. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.